Hello and welcome to Pullback Indicators. The markets have already closed and let's check out the performance of our indicator for today. As you can see, this is a 5-minute Nifty future chart. When we trade on Nifty futures or any indices, we use a 5-minute time frame. So here in the morning we got a sell signal here around 12:35 and the trade happened here at the closing price of this candle. Whenever we get a sell signal here, then the closing price of the next candle or the next 4-5 candles has to be lesser than the candle in which we got the signal, and the previous candle high will be the stop loss. So we got a sell signal, the trade happened here and it came down right till here. Now this is Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty again we got a sell signal here. The trade executed on the closing price of the next candle, and from 3513 levels it went down right till 34,230, giving us a profit of more than 500 to 700 points. So in case if you have sold a Bank Nifty future today, it has given you around 15,000 rupees in just one lot. Now let's check out some stocks. As you can see, this is an Asian Paint chart. For stocks we use a 3-minute time frame. In Asian Paints we got a sell signal here. The trade happened on this candle and from 2941 it went down right till 2893 levels. Then this is Hdfc Bank. In Hdfc Bank also we got a sell signal here at 12:15 and it went down right till here. You can see we also got a buy signal, but we will avoid. As per our strategy, if we make profit on the first signal, we will ignore all other candles for that day, all other signals. Then this is Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's here, we got a buy signal here, but no trade happened. Why? Even though the closing price of the next candle was higher than the closing price of the signal candle, but the stop loss, which is the previous candle low, the stop loss is very big. So when the stop loss is very big, we will not take any trade. Similarly, again we have got a sell signal. The trade happened on the next candle here, and from 3932 levels it went to 3891. And as I said, when we make profit on the first signal, we ignore all other signals and we also ignore any signal which comes after 2 p.m. Next is Jsw Steel. For Jsw Steel also you can see we got a buy signal here in the morning in this candle, and the trade happened on 9:30 candle, and from 6:33 it went up right till 652 levels. Let us check one more stock. This is Kotak Bank. Again Kotak Bank, we have got a sell signal here in the morning around 11:30. The trade executed somewhere here and it went down right till here, and this signal being after 2 we will avoid. As you can see, if you follow the indicator properly and use my trading strategy, then you can recover the indicator cost in just one day. This was all for today. Remember, we cannot predict the market, but if we remain consistent and stick to our trading rules with proper discipline and follow proper money management, then our chances of winning will be higher and lead to overall profit. The indicator works across all market segments in equity, Nifty, Bank Nifty, commodity and crypto. Along with the indicator, you will also get our strategy videos on how to trade, when to enter, where to exit, how to put stop loss and when not to trade. The indicator works on trading view chart. You can use this indicator on your smartphone and also your desktop browser. You don't require any paid version of TradingView. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. In case you have any queries, you can send me a message. I will put my details in the description box.